Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be showing you how can you make cash memo in mobile. To create a cash memo on your mobile device, you could utilize dedicated cash memo generator app or use a word processing app with customizable templates as well. So these tools will allow you to input business detail, customer information and items list as well. You could use any sort of apps available. So go to your respective app store box you want to type in, and here you have some sort of applications available. You could go with any of it, click on the install button, after which just follow the on-screen prompt. That is, either you have to create your account or register or maybe add in your credit card details, all sort of things, and then follow on the on-screen prompts by entering the details, business name, some sort of this, and that way you'll be able to make cash memo in mobile. So this is how simple it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.